ko plabinon mi le bring one bla El Nino awareness across lo mi bla Papua New Guineans. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please you subscribe to my channel and watch this video to the end for the awareness message that I will bring across to us, to the Papua New Guineans, to avoid problems and losing homes and properties during this El Nino period. Okay, thank you very much. Me welcome this live video purposely piani mombla story as mi harem story place. There were 3 cacao plantations which have been totally burnt down on Friday of last week. Old man over the bush corner look mosem like cacao all dry grass na leaves all stop around lo. La triba cacao plantation ya. All just drag masis tason na putim na. La triba cacao plantation totally burnt down. All but dry straight. So me decided lo welcome this live video lo as an awareness to us Papua New Guineans. Okay, we are around 3 months into the El Nino period. Okay, some parts of the nation they already experience shortage of water and food, greens, all this. So to avoid our homes and our properties and our neighboring environments to be destroyed, let's keep the matches, okay, away from. If you are a parents, you advise your kids not to use the match to burn the dry grass or bushes around the house or home. Okay, as parents, let's keep the matches away from the reach of the children to avoid our homes and properties to be burned down. Advice mo big tall piginini no gan kisi masis na or buy masis na ko strike him all grass around the house or bushes close to the house where sun everything dry and stuff. Kaman lo put fire that's all fire back or while, and if it touch other people's property then you cause a problem or there will be a problem between the kids or the parents or whoever that starts the fire and the owner of the property or the house that has been burned down. So to be on the safe side, to avoid problems and to avoid losing homes and properties, let's keep the matches away from the kitchen. Let's also advise them not to use the matches or buy matches from the table markets, from trade stores, and use them to light fires around the bushes or light dry grasses around the home or try. Also tell them not to cook by themselves because when they strike the matches, they can make mistake and then it can burn down the house. So thank you, Lilik. Awareness message plumita sol lo ogata Papua New Guineans just lo avoid him mibla lo lose him valuable items plumibla or homes and properties plumibla na lo causing problem to suppose beginning plumibla or ambla Lilik or ambla relatives lo you one suppose all you gonna cook him bush or cook him grass around la open la line na causing problem causing fire na burning down of properties plongol houses plongol that can cause problem between the two parties. Okay, those losing their properties and those who caused the fire. So I'm really awareness plumita sol. So suppose you know subscribe the channel plumi yet, please you help me lo subscribe the channel plumi. Okay, comment, like all videos plumi. so that you can get a chimilo or him na upload implant all videos. Okay, thank you very much lo watching this live video.